Can you say hi?
Hi!
Say hi, beautiful people.
Hi, people.
He's getting it. Tell him what are you doing? Say, what are you doing? Yeah, you're getting your watch on. So I'm putting on his cool Superman watch that we got for him at Tangent Outlets. And he loves it because it lights up. Look. Y'all see that? Is that cool? All right, there you go. There you go. Y'all, hey. Go get in the car. Hey guys, happy Tuesdays. So we are heading out just for a little bit. Well, we're gonna go grocery shopping to get our grocery for the week. We're planning to do the pickup, but I had 2 appointments today and I just wasn't sure about the timing because I didn't want to schedule something and then I wasn't going to be able to pick it up. So we're just going to go and just pick up a few things. Today was definitely a self-care day for me because I had a wellness appointment. So I went in for, you know, women checkup and everything, and then I have a therapy appointment. So I'm in good spirits. I'm in very good spirits. I'm healthy. I'm in my right mind. Yes, okay, I'm coming. I'm healthy and I'm in my right mind, so I can't complain, right? All right, so we're about to get going because they're already outside getting in the car. So I just want to hop in and check in with you guys, and I'll see you guys at the store.
We just need a cash register.
So she has a birthday coming up.
39 days.
39 days. And she still wants stuff. We've been telling her to just wait, but she's been getting an allowance, yay! And she's been doing very well in school and around the house, so she's gonna treat herself. Since you've been getting an allowance, what are you gonna treat yourself to?
I'm getting this, because I wanted a pack of these kind of diapers.
Yeah.
But I saw this and I wanted it because
those are the only ones.
But wait,
That one.
look, I have this.
I told her, I was like, that looks like Tristan with the hair. Guys, so we are here at my favorite place, HEB Plus. So we're getting the grocery done and we're getting a good amount of stuff here. So this is what we have so far. And still have a few more things to get the cold stuff and the dairy and everything. But so far so good. Luckily it's not crowded, that's why all of us are in here. But if it's like super crowded, then either, you know, we'll stay at home and
No, it's playing.
oh yeah, they do videos on there. Either he'll come inside and do the shopping, or we'll stay at home. But since it's the weekday and it's not crowded, that's why we're in here. Uh-oh. What'd you get?
That's pretty cool.
Huh?
Put the cars in there and they push the handle and it shoots them out.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Hey, is it for you or for him?
For us.
Oh.
Alright, let's finish this shopping.
Alright. So yeah, thank goodness it's not crowded in here. And I just love HEB Plus. Like, I just wish I had a partnership with them because this is.
If you guys want, comment down below if you guys want to see who's all coming to my birthday party.
I know her birthday's next month and she's already talking about her party and everything, but we do need to start planning because it is going to be different this year. Her birthday is going to be different this year. So, you know, with the whole pandemic, like we're still trying to figure out what to do. So we're thinking like just doing something in the backyard or like maybe closing a place just for us. So we don't know yet. We're still trying to figure it out. So if you guys can give us some advice, please share down below what you think we should do because we don't know at this point, you know? Alright, so let me finish shopping and then I'll come back and holler at you guys. Bizak in his house. And I am about to cook dinner on my air fryer. So I think I mentioned to you guys in the
Wouldn't it be in the air fryer?
What'd I say?
On
there. Okay, sorry. Inside. That is true, my friend. Inside of our air fryer. So I mentioned to you guys, I think in the last vlog, that we had got this from Sam's, and I used it to make, what did I make? What was it, the pork chops?
Yeah.
The sliced pork chops. And y'all, let me tell you, it was good, okay? So today I'm going to be making burgers inside of here. Now, I don't know for sure if you can. I don't see a setting for it. Because I see fries, I see ham, cake. You can make cake in here? Pizza. You make cake in here too? That's cool. Fish, because we bought fish. So I want to try fish in here too. So I mean, it looks like, I guess I can. I mean, I know I'm going to make burgers. I'm going to try to make the burgers in here. But like, I've seen so many people online make so many things. Like I've seen people make full meals like in their air fryers. So I'm going to try today with my burgers. Because I think you guys said that you guys would like to see me cook in the air fryer. So I'm going to do that for y'all. And hopefully I could be the one making all my meals in the air fryer too. This is our baby. Our baby. She's so pretty. This is the largest one in the collection for Power XL. So let's see. You know, I need to.
Texas.
Yes, everything's bigger in Texas. Alright, let me find my phone real quick. Air fryer cheeseburgers. Ooh, this looks so good. Ooh. Okay.
Is this stuff any good?
It's probably flat though. Okay, so it says place 2 patties in air fryer at 375. Okay. For 4 minutes on each side. And then alright, so here's one patty. I can actually fit 4 in here. This thing is huge. They must have the average size air fryer because we got a big baby. Okay, 1, 2. I feel like Tabitha Brown, like this, like so. What?
We must have both thrown one of these in the cart.
Oh, so we got 2 boxes.
Got a lot of nutrient bars.
Well, they love it. So got it in here, like this, like so. And then we're going to put them in there. All right, 375 for 4 minutes. Well, no, so that'll be 8 minutes total. Got some sweet potato fries in the oven right now, so I'm excited. Like, this thing is so clutch so far, and just all the recipes that I've seen on Pinterest and on Google, like, I'm excited. Like, I found a recipe. We were walking down the aisle, and I don't even know why it came to mind, but I was on Pinterest while walking in the aisle, and I saw a recipe. It's actually a vegan recipe for bang bang shrimp, but instead of using shrimp, you use cauliflower. So bought some flora cauliflowers, and that's what I'm gonna make. I don't know when exactly, but I want to make it this week just to see what it's tasting like and what it's gonna taste like. And that's gonna be made in here. All right. Ooh, look at that. Yes, Patty, looking good. Come on now. Oh yeah. Ooh. Because I seasoned the mess of these things, so they're about to hit him. And then I put cheese on a few. I put cheese on all of them, but I don't know how the other part moved. Like, that's so weird. Yes, y'all, look at that. Ooh, just looks juicy. All right, so I'm about to put the others in here and let them cook as well. to go to bed. The big guy's about to go exercise, and I'm just about to straighten up and clean up and then get ready for bed because I have a pretty busy day tomorrow, so I want to get as well rested as possible. So we're gonna try to go to bed a little early. But yes, y'all, those burgers were so good. Like, I just had to make sure that, you know, it wasn't, my hair's all over the place. So those burgers were really, really good. I just had to make sure that, you know, it wasn't red inside because I guess because it wasn't grilled. You know how like when you grill or fry, you know, food and stuff, you know, you got to make sure the inside is cooked and well done. So that's why I just wanted to make sure as I was flipping it that like I put like a little slit inside just to make sure, because it was my first time making burgers. You're so silly, my little baby. You know, you just want to make sure that it's done but not like overly cooked. So I put a split, like I cut a split in each of the, you know, in the middle of the patties to make sure that it got cooked inside. Well, you know, I just wanted to make sure that it got cooked properly inside, and that worked. So it was so good, and it was just real, it wasn't like hard, and like it was perfect. It was perfect. And like I said, I seasoned it pretty well. If you guys want to see like weekly meals cooked in our air fryer, please let me know, because even if you don't, I'm still going to do it because I love our air fryer. Like I've always wanted one, but I guess one, I didn't know which kind to get because there are just so many out here. And two, I just, you know, we cook things on the grill because we're so used to grilling all the time because, you know, it's hot. It's hot all the time here. So we just were grilling, you know, we were grilling most of the time because it's warm. But I think I'm a little obsessed with our air fryer. Like just looking at the meals and stuff online that people make in their air fryers, I'm curious. Like I'm tempted to, you know, make these things. If you guys would like that kind of content, let me know down below and I got you. Or if you have a specific recipe that you've made yours, please let me know because I'm gonna need that recipe like ASAP. Before you get out this video, leave that recipe in the comments. But I had a really productive day. Like I said, I went to my appointments and then went grocery shopping, and that's pretty much it, y'all. Like we really don't be doing much in the house except virtual learning, taking care of business, big guy working, and then just enjoying the time here. You guys in the last vlog too that I had got these from Sam's Club, so I want to organize our pantry once again, but I want to use like these kind because I've been wanting these for so long, but the ones on Amazon were like wicked expensive. For $8, these came at $8. Most of them come with like 4 or 6. I know the ones at home, I think those come with 5 or 4. Don't quote me, but this came with 8. So it looks like a lot, but it's pretty much going to do its job. And if I need to go get some more, I will. And then I'm going to use my Cricut machine to put the labels, because I know like people online, you can order them or you can like print them out, but I want to create my own. So I want to like create like a cursive font to label our things using my Cricut machine and then stick them on here. So I bought some removable vinyl to do that, and I'm super excited. So that's gonna be my next project. I gotta show you guys the closet, and then I'm going to do a video on this. So if you guys would like that, please let me know and I can do that for y'all as well. So I'm just excited to just put out a lot of content. I'm just gonna do it and put it out there. I'm try my best to stay consistent. Life happens. I told you my Wi-Fi is slow, so that's why my stuff just uploads late, but I'm just gonna do the best I can and just get it out there for you guys. So like I said, if you guys are like that, let me know. And yeah, so I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.